I work as an interior designer, and I really love making my clients' homes come to life. But I was uneasy about pricking my finger and checking my glucose around them. Using the FreeStyle Libre 2 system makes things so much easier, because now I get glucose readings right on my smartphone, with updates every single minute. It's easy to put on a new sensor.
Here's how Sarah does it. Select the site on the back of your upper arm, where you will clean it and let it dry. The sensor kit comes in two parts, the sensor applicator and the sensor pack. It also contains a product insert. Peel the lid completely off the sensor pack and unscrew the cap from the sensor applicator. Place the sensor applicator into the open sensor pack and line up the dark mark on the applicator with the mark on the pack. Then, press down firmly on the sensor applicator until it comes to a stop. Simply place the sensor applicator over the site you cleaned with the alcohol wipe. Push down firmly until the sensor is in place. Make sure the sensor is secure after application. All that's left is to start your sensor with the Apple reader. If you are using the FreeStyle Libre 2 Plus sensor with an automated insulin delivery system, do not activate your sensor with the FreeStyle Libre Link app or reader. Please visit your insulin pump manufacturer's website for specific activation instructions. The sensor will automatically stop at the end of its wear period. At this point, the Apple reader will let you know it's time to replace the sensor. Next, Jack will show us how to replace a sensor. To take off the old sensor, pull up the adhesive's edge and slowly peel it away in one motion. See the sensor insert for instructions on how to dispose of your used sensor. To put on a new sensor, find a new site and repeat the steps shown earlier in this video. And that's how easy it is to apply your sensor.